Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if your battery percentage is not showing on your LG G6. If your battery percentage is not showing next to your battery icon in the top bar, you could try looking into settings. Here, go into general, scroll down to battery and power saving, and make sure battery percentage on status bar is enabled. If it is and somehow still doesn't work, there are a few other ways you could possibly look at your battery percentage. First is not so accurate, but you could simply look at the battery icon and try to deduce what percentage of it is colored in. But if you want something more accurate, you could try installing an app. Simply search up battery, or just pick an app that you like, battery health app, open it, go through the setup process, and it might show you your battery percentage in your notifications, as you can see right here. It may also help you out by measuring your battery's health while charging. Some of those apps might also have widgets. So you can check that by tapping and holding on the screen, going into widgets, and looking around if there's any widgets related to the app. If there aren't, you can assume that, of course, there might not be. But if there are, then you can also use them to check your battery percentage. If this video was helpful to you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.